Hello students, I hope you all are preparing well for your examination. You all are studying different subjects. So here I am with a new video in which I will help you to do things and not to do things. And also I will give some tips on online examination which you need to follow before the examination. So let us start the video. First of all, we will discuss what are the some special thing which we need to keep in mind during online examination. So the first thing is we need to check our mobile battery or keep it charged. Before 1 hour we must check that battery is charged or not. Second thing, we must always check the data plan or data pack which we have taken for our network. Third thing, we must always be in proper network connection so that there is a good network. It's not like that you are at the place where there is network fluctuation. If it is so, please move to the other place where you find the network is good, because it will hamper the timing of the examination and maybe you could not submit it also. So these are the things you need to keep in mind. Then regarding application, you must check that there is no error in the application. Everything is okay there. Third thing is keep the check on the link and timing. Accordingly, you time yourself and pair yourself. So these are the things which you need to keep in mind when you give the online examination. I hope it will be helpful for you all. Now we will talk about do's. What are the things which we need to do? So the first thing is you always need to choose a good environment. You must sit straight. It's not like that you are sitting in front of television and studying. No, you must sit in proper environment. Then you must prepare a timetable. I have also prepared a video how to prepare a good timetable. If you have not seen, I will be adding in the I button there. And when you prepare the timetable, it's very important that you follow the timetable wholeheartedly. It's not like that once you prepare the timetable and you forget it. No, you must follow it for the good result. It is very important as a student. And similarly, it is very important to wake up early. And when you are studying whole day, then in a day you must give in revising, reviewing whatever you have studied. You must close your books and copies and revise. You always make the important notes, dates or formulas and keep around yourself. Whenever you see, you will find it important. And the last one is you always do meditation or some yoga which will help to increase the concentration power as a student, and during the examination it will be helpful. So now we will see some of the don'ts, the things which we don't need to do. So the first thing is do not cheat or copy. Really prohibited. Do not study late. If you do so, it will make you very tireless. Do not study on bed. If you study on bed, then you will fall asleep, and instead of studying you will sleep, which is very common. Then you must not watch mobile videos or TV while studying, or you must not eat also. Either you do these things before or you do these things after the study. Do not cram things. चीज़ों को रटना नहीं है. Do not cram it and try to understand it, which will be helpful during the examination. If you forget things, if you have learned, then you cannot write, है ना? And do not go for reading the whole lesson at the end of the days, है ना? You must only read the main topic so that the time is also saved. Read only main topic, which will be helpful. And then at last you must not panic. If you don't know any answer or any question, do not panic. Breathe in, breathe out and move for the next question. So I hope, my dear children, these all tips and do's and don'ts will be helpful for you all. All the best for your examination, and please like and subscribe if you liked my video, and also share to your friends. Thank you, my dear children. All the best.